to the Anti-Diet Meals with Farah Kariamburi. I'm your host, deep health practitioner, keynote speaker, and the founder of 30 Day Anti-Diet Challenge. And I bring you this show with my son today, who's a special guest. We have a little audience there watching as well today, my friend. And we're just, I'm just going to show you really super easy meals to make, which you can cook for your whole family. So as a woman, if you're on a weight loss journey, you do not need to cook separate meals. It's really important to understand that the separate meals and the shakes and special meals for weight loss don't work. They're not your long-term solutions, are they? Because what you want to eat is what you've cooked for your kids and what you've cooked for your husband, if you have one. If not, whatever you cook for your family. That's what I'm going to show you super quick, 15 minutes. So today we're making turkey mince. I prefer turkey mince to beef mince. No particular reason apart from slightly a little bit less fat. But I use this beef mince as well. Or if you're vegan or vegetarian, don't forget you can substitute this with corn. So exactly the same process. Let's go. Okay, eager to help? So we're going to just get out a wok or a pan, and in it we're going to put a little bit of coconut oil. That's my preferred choice in terms of cooking oil. So just a teaspoon of that. Just a little bit. Pop in there. A little bit of oil there. I don't know about it. Like it's watery in summer. In summer it gets really, yes, it does, very much for liquid. You can use instead of oil. Use it instead of oil. No, any. You can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil. I like to use that. And then we've got some frozen onions here. Just because they're chopped already for you. So if you're a really busy person, you don't need to chop the onions. The frozen onions are as good as fresh ones. They really are. Don't let anything tell you any different. So we just did a little whack it just to separate them. We're just going to put maybe half a cup of onions in it. In this we're going to put 2 garlics. I have chopped this already because I don't want to take a lot of your time. So you can again use garlic paste, which is already ready. Now if you have lactose intolerance and things like that, try and go for more natural products rather than products that are cooked or minced already. So sometimes in your minced garlic and ginger, they have acids which may upset your tummy. So think about those things. If you don't know why your tummy feels a bit funny, try and just go natural in terms of your garlic and ginger paste. So there goes 2 cloves of garlic. There's a little bit left there. I'm going to keep that back. Oh, and a bit of chili. I've chopped a little bit of green chili. As you know, I'm a big lover of green chili, so it kind of goes in all my food. So just that for me. And now in this, we're going to pop the 500 grams mix. This will be enough for a family of 4. We want to make sure there's adequate amount of protein, especially when you're on your weight loss journey. Protein is really important. So we're going to just add that in there. And that's just cooking away. Let's take that out of the way, so you can see. Give it a good mix. Just show it to the camera as well. There we go. That's what it looks like. Give it a good mix. Now I'm going to put some kind of spices in it. Now we like things with spices. So starting with a bit of salt. I hold the salt back, to be honest. I don't put too much salt in food because I think the spices themselves will make it tasty. We've got a bit of paprika. Again, we're not going to measure it. You just need to shake it in there. I love cumin, so I put cumin in most foods. You can add some ginger to this. Fresh ginger would be good for your health, but I've got powdered one here, again because of ease. And then I like to put some turmeric in it as well. Some turmeric. So you can smell that. Does that smell good?
Yeah, it's good. Is it smoked paprika?
Smoked paprika. No, I can't find that.
Oh, I can't.
No, I love smoked paprika. That's the best one actually, if you can find it. And then in it we have half a tin of tomato paste. Oops, that will go in. Now give it a good mix. And this is pretty much done. As soon as that mince is a little bit more browner, just take all the sides and pop it in there as well. It's quite nice having some help. Someone's avoiding their homework and doing other things. Okay, so with it we have pasta going on, which is just a normal white pasta. Wholemeal pasta is fine too. Now I wanted to show you, and I'm just going to bring this right to the camera. These are some alternative. Let's just come right a little bit this way. Thank you. So these are some of you asked me that question. What is the alternative pastas? Ragnar, I think you asked me that question. Here's 3 different pasta boxes that you can use as alternative. Now, the good thing about these are they are actually made of soy, so they are vegan and vegetarian, completely vegan. You can use this as a pasta alternative, but they're also very high in protein. So if you are a vegan and you're looking to increase your protein intake, all you need to do is have a handful of this with anything else, with salad, with chicken, not chicken, sorry, meat alternative.
Corn chicken.
Corn chicken pieces. Or you can put some edamame beans in this. That's your protein. This is your protein as well. So they're very high in protein. In fact, they are 25 grams per 100 grams of protein in this. Fettuccine, this one here. This is my favourite one. You can see the box is nearly empty.
Green.
It's made
There's
of
a different one. than most of them.
edamame beans.
This one.
This is for this is very. It looks very similar to pasta as well. So if you want to have that instead,
Because when you go to like a place and they sell pasta, it's always green pasta.
Yeah.
Like green. But it's
I
not
think
like
that's
vegan. It's just different colour.
is that Is that courgettes?
No, it's just green. It's the same pasta but green.
Okay.
And like you know,
And now I'm going to put some hidden. Now this was meant to be not done in front of my child. Why? Because I was showing you a secret to how to add extra vegetables in there. However, he's here now, so he's going to just have to watch that. No, this
we'll put
courgettes.
this in that.
Okay. So we're going to put courgettes in it. I've chopped up these courgettes tiny little pieces. They're not the same. Really easy to eat these, by the way.
I don't like it cooked.
Actually really easy and nice without actually being cooked too much. Okay, we are not putting coriander in at the moment because
Makes it taste.
somebody doesn't like it. Yeah, so this is why you have to cook when they're in school. Get it out of the way quickly.
I don't like it in the meat.
Oh.
I said that because then vegetables is in it.
Yeah.
You don't like it in the meat.
Okay,
And then
let's
it
just cook this up. So the little courgettes have gone in. And we just give it a good mix.
Why didn't you put the sauce in there?
The sauce.
And then put that in there.
You could do. You could actually mix the tomatoes and all that
Why
together.
you put the rest of that
Or you could cook it like this because sometimes people don't like it when mixed in together.
in that? The rest of that in there.
This in here.
No, in there.
With the you like tomato sauce, tomato spaghetti, don't you? Let's have this a little bit higher so that we can get it cooked. And really, what we're going to do is pop a lid on top of this. This is done, really. Well, it's not cooked, but it's nearly done. And pop that on top. Let your turkey cook. Maybe a little bit of water if you want to. If not, that's fine. And cook your spaghetti. It's really, sorry, your pasta in any form you want it to make. And then you just assemble your plate. So really, again, just showing you how easy it is to actually make easy dinners for you at home, so that you don't have to prepare separate meals for mummy, separate meals for yourself, separate meal for your kids. Because this, everybody likes this, don't they? It's really one of the easiest and most delicious as well. Can't go wrong with it. My son is laughing at me because I'm kind of presenting on a live show versus he watches me normally on the other side. He's not a part of it. Should we say hello to them? Let us know, actually, guys, in the comment, what are you making today? Because Rayhan would like to know what you're cooking for your dinners today.
Oh, it was
This afternoon. And also, if you got a special request about finding out what, like we had a request from Ragnar, she wanted to know what spaghetti she should be cooking. No, has she? Oh, my cat has brought a mouse in. So I'm hoping that my son will deal with that, along with my friends. Ooh, sometimes she brings presents home. What can you do? We're not cooking that today. Okay, so this turkey mince is really looking good. Again, the vegetables, did you see that? I put that at the end. Why? Because I don't want to. Why? Because I don't want to make the vegetables really mushy and almost kill the nutrition in it. It's really important to keep that nutrition going. Oh, by the way to cook these is literally taking a handful, put it in hot water, boiling hot water from the kettle, covering it up like couscous. So the way you would cook couscous is how you would cook these three, by the way. Really important to know that. So really, really good. These are all from Aldi. They're like, I think they're like a couple of pounds each, and so good to like just literally have in your pantry to just cook up anytime you feel like it. Adding more protein to your pizza.
After.
Okay. Mummy won't. Oh, this is very strange. She's not done that for a very long time.
Did Nan make this?
Now what we're going to do, Nan's made that. Oh, we need Miss Clemens to show us her lemon pasta dish. Yeah, that's
so
really
nice.
good. We're definitely going to bring you a lemon pasta with coconuts, which was amazing. I think we were so amazed by that dish. It's completely vegetarian, vegan actually, plant-based.
Coconut, not lemon.
It had lemon in it. Cool coconut in it as well, yeah. So remember when you are serving your food, how much pasta should you have if you are on a weight loss journey? I would say it's the same as I always say, a handful. So I'm not going to put the hot pasta in my hand because it's a bit hot, but this is the portion. So it's really about the portion, not really about you can't eat the pasta. There's nothing wrong with eating the pasta. Yes, it comes under the category of processed. There are better carbs to choose from. Potatoes are better carbs, sweet potatoes are better carbs, but occasionally you can have pasta. So it's one of those foods you can eat. Good. So
It's
my
just
portion
wet.
has been my portion has been decreased, as you can see, and it's going down quick. And then when you serve your protein portion, you're just going to do the same with that. So like I said, the courgettes are left a little bit. Again, good handful of protein in that plate for you. Like here. And then we're going to put some salad leaves. Although you have the vegetables in it, you do want to have a little bit more. A little bit more of vegetable. Let me show the plate. Is that yours? Well, I will show the plate. Can be mine, yes. So this is it. This is the final result, really. So you've got turkey mince, you can substitute. You've got pasta, you can substitute if you want to. And then you've got a handful of salad, again, you can have any kind of vegetables. But this took no longer than 10-15 minutes to make. So you can all eat the same food, all enjoy it. Again, if those courgettes are absolute no-no in your family, then just leave them out. Don't put them in. But if you like them, then you can chop them in towards the end as well. And this is it. Today's meal ready to go. I hope you have taken some golden nuggets from today. Thank you so much for joining me. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow with another anti-diet meal that we will discuss and talk about and show you how to prepare. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now. And it's finished. Again.